ListSerializer in Django Restful. When is it called? I have the following code for my serializers.py. I'm experimenting with it on my Django test suite. It prints I'm creating multiple rows, which is not what should happen. For the docs, customize the create or update behavior of multiple objects. For these cases you can modify the class that is used when many equals true is passed, by using the list_serializer_class option on the serializer meta class. So what am I not understanding? I passed in many column false in my post request, and yet it still delegates the create function to the file ListSerializer.
For the docs, the ListSerializer class provides the behavior for serializing and validating multiple objects at once. You won't typically need to use ListSerializer directly, but should instead simply pass many equals true when instantiating a serializer. You can add many equals true to your serializer. Potential dupe of how do I create multiple model instances with Django REST framework?